I do see weld on this foundation. The problem is that the weld is inadequate. It's fractured without any bending structure. On this far side, we can see that the beam is twisted and torn during the collapsing event. Here we can see that there's no transfer of metal between the two beams. There's no bending of the beams on either side. This means that that's poor weld, and it should have been inspected before the crane went up. Design bases can be fine. We just have to keep in mind that on a normal cross base, you would be weighing down the beams as well. So you're going to be putting in enough structure to hold everything down where normally it would be weighed down. Like in a foundation, that weight is in the concrete base itself, and you're connected to that concrete base. And so when we're doing a design foundation, you want to be thinking of it that way when you're judging whether or not you want to be involved with that. And I would suggest having 2 engineers at all times. I was involved in the Seattle Tower crane accident in 2006. And really, it just needed a second engineer to take a look at it and realize that what the problem was. The crane was going taller. We were having more overturning moment than they'd planned for. It would have been a simple check, and we would have never had that accident.